Hello and welcome again to my channel, Bone Star Sanctuary. Today we are tuning in for another mathematics lesson. In this lesson, we will be focusing on linear measurement short. So if you are now tuning in, please note that I would have done a previous lesson on log. So if you have not seen it, remember to look at my channel and you would find it there. Otherwise, I should post it in the description box. So let's get straight into today's objectives. Objectives. At the end of the lesson, pupils would be able to compare the height or length of an object, state the height or length of an object. So remember to look around in your environment and find objects that you can compare their length or their height. So let's get straight into the lesson. Height. We use words like short, shorter, and the shortest to describe the height of objects and things. So here we have 3 trees. And I'm sure if you look outside, you can find 3 trees that you can compare the height of. So we have the first tree, which is short, the second tree, which is shorter, and the third tree, which is shortest. So we have short, shorter, and shortest. When you look at them, you are seeing the difference in height. Length. We use words like short, shorter, and shortest to describe the length of objects and things. So we have one shoe that is short, another shoe that is shorter, and a third shoe that is shortest. So should you go around and pick up a side of shoe for your mommy, your daddy, and yourself, you can compare them to see which one is short, which one is shorter, and which one is shortest. So you are measuring the length or the size of the shoes, and then you would know which one is short, shorter, and shortest. So here you can now go around and look for things that are in your environment that you can compare the length. Parents observe them to ensure that they would have understood the concept of the lesson. Activity. So guess what? The lesson isn't done as yet. Complete the following activities and identify the object that is short, shorter, and shortest. So you're going to gather 3 toys and you're going to compare the height of the toys. Parents ensure that for these activities, ensure that they can identify the ones that are short, shorter, and shortest, or shortest, shorter, and short. You can point it randomly to ensure that they understand the concept. Then you are going to gather 3 pencils of 3 different lengths. And then 3 shoes, as previously mentioned, of 3 different lengths. And last but not least, you're going to collect 3 cups and you are going to compare the height of those 3 cups. So parents, remember again to observe them and see if they would have understood the concept of this lesson. So we have come to the end of today's lesson where we would have looked at linear measurement short. So remember to tune in for another lesson. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.